Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 31. To start off, let's go to File, New, select the new part template, and we have the workspace open. Let's go to the sketch as usual and go for the sketch and start the sketch here. So in this case, I would maybe prefer to do the sketch at the top lane here. And let's start doing the sketch. At the center, a rectangle, and I'll do the dimensioning of this 95 by 55. So we have the rectangle here. Exit the sketch and then go for extrude boss and base. You can give a height of 12. So we have this base here, so you can make this rectangular hole, or you can also go back to the sketch, go for the edit sketch, and you can basically press Ctrl 8 and do that rectangle there, and just dimension that as well. So that's 37 by 20, and that's resting at 13 plus 25 from here. And at a height, at a length of how much? So we have a line which is projected from here, and that line is at, okay, that line is at the center, right? So the radius of the circle is 20, so this will be 20. Alright, now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch and rotate around, and you'll see that that portion is constrained. Now we can do this particular portion here. So 55, we've taken 55, so this 12 mm is also considered there. So you can basically select this face over here and do the sketch and press Ctrl 8 so you see from the other side, and we can start doing the sketch here. So you can draw a line here, right? And you can also let me just do the skeleton here. And let's give the dimension of whatever we know for sure. So this will be, this is 12, so 45 minus 12, right? And this thickness is 25, right? 25. And this height will be 56 plus 20. And so it looks like it's fully constrained. Alright, now we have to give a radius of 8 over here, right? So you select this point here and go for this chamfer and give 8, and we have that portion done there, right? Now as we have this as fully constrained, you can exit the sketch here. So before you exit the sketch, there is a problem, I believe. Okay, let's exit the sketch. Now control middle mouse button to pan. So what I will do now is I'll do an extrude here on the reverse direction, and I'll give this thickness here 12, right? Now this is 12, I believe. It's 12. Now we have this portion here, right? Now what I would do is I'll again take this face here and I'll go for the sketch, and this time I would select this, and this. I'll go for convert entities, and also I had to select this. Now I will go for extend entities. I'll extend this. I'll go for trim and just trim this portion, so we have this rectangle there. Now exit the sketch once again, and this time I'll go for extrude boss and base, and I would extrude it from here to here. So what's the distance? So as we know, the overall is 55 and the radius of the circle is 20, so this will be 40. 55 minus 40 will be 15. So basically you will have to okay, this is what we have to give, right? So 55, this is 12, and yeah, so you just give 55 minus 12 minus 15, right? Double enter and you have the portion there. Now you can select this edge and this edge here. I'll go for fillet and go for radius 20, double enter, and you have that done there. And now you can select this face here and go for the sketch and create a circle at the center here, and you can define the radius of that circle, diameter 25, right? Yeah, diameter 25, and the circle will be already constrained with concentric. Okay, it's already done, but still it's always good to be on the safer side, so you just give a constraint over there. And now you can see that the circle is in black color, so it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch now and go for extruded cut. Up to next will be good, and tick mark, and we have that portion done as well. Now we have to do a hole, 2 holes over here, so select that face and go for the sketch. Now you can simply create 2 circles and start doing the dimension for both of the circle. So that'll be diameter 12, right? And diameter 12 here, and simply dimension them. That should be 12 from this face, right? 12. So you give the same thing here. Okay, now this circle and this circle is 37 mm apart, and this circle is at a distance of 15. Now we have the circle placed. Exit the sketch now and go for extruded cut. Up to next will be good. Tick mark, and we have that constraint, right? So that's all about our exercise number 31. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video, and if you would like to ask me anything apart from this video, any special requests or anything, you can write to me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.